In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Jotform account. Jotform is a fantastic tool for creating online forms, and I'm excited to guide you through the simple process of getting started. First, head over to Jotform's website. You can do this by typing jotform.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of options and features that Jotform offers on their homepage. Don't get overwhelmed by all the information, as our primary focus today is just signing up. On the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Sign Up button. Clicking on this button will direct you to the registration page. This is the first step toward joining the Jotform community. Once you've clicked on Sign Up, you'll be presented with multiple ways to register an account. Jotform gives you the flexibility to sign up using your email address, a Google account, a Facebook account, or even an Apple ID if your device supports it. Choose the method that you find most convenient. If you opt for the email route, you'll need to enter your email, create a secure password, and confirm your details. After entering your information, if you've chosen to sign up via email, Jotform will send you a confirmation email to ensure your address is correct and that you're the one signing up. It should arrive in your inbox shortly after filling out the registration form, so keep an eye out for it. Open that email and click on the Confirm Email button. This step is crucial as it verifies your account and allows you to access all that Jotform has to offer. After confirming your email, head back to Jotform's website and log into your newly created account. Although it's not required, it's a good idea to complete your profile by adding your name, company name, or any other details you feel comfortable sharing. Providing this information can help Jotform tailor its services to better suit your needs. Now that you've set up your account, you're all ready to start using Jotform. You'll see a Create Form button upon logging in. Click on this to start building your first form. Jotform offers a range of templates to help you get started, or you can dive right in and create a form from scratch. This tool provides you with all the customization you need, making the form building process both intuitive and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully signed up and are ready to explore everything Jotform has to offer. I hope this guide was useful and you feel equipped to start creating your own forms. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Jotform experience.